Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast without using vanilla essence. It's simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly satisfying. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small pinch of salt ready. These simple items are all you need to create a wonderful breakfast. Now let's prepare the flavorful batter. Take a shallow dish or a wide bowl, which will make dipping easier. Crack your 2 large eggs into it and whisk them thoroughly until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Next, gradually pour in the 1/2 cup of milk, stirring gently. Then, add the 1 tablespoon of sugar, the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that tiny pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until smooth and fully incorporated, creating a perfectly seasoned mixture. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Place a griddle or a large frying pan over medium heat and lightly butter it to prevent sticking. This ensures a beautiful golden brown finish. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the prepared batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want the bread to absorb the flavors without becoming soggy. Carefully place the coated bread onto the hot griddle and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden and cooked through. Your homemade French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve it immediately while it's still warm. You can get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or even sliced bananas, make wonderful additions. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds a touch of elegance, and a generous drizzle of maple syrup or honey completes this delightful breakfast. Enjoy this simple, comforting, and incredibly tasty treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.